In this video, I would like to demonstrate exactly how to set up inter-VLAN routing. And what you'll note in this diagram is we have three separate VLAN networks here, each having its own number of hosts. The key would be to get these hosts on different VLANs to communicate between each other. And the way to do that is to configure the router with sub-interfaces. We will explain sub-interfaces in detail a little later, but for right now, what we want to do is configure our VLANs. So the first thing we want to do is name our VLANs. So we assign it VLAN 10, and then we want to give it some name that will make it easy for us to remember because we're going to have quite a few VLANs. So I call this finance. Now we will configure the second VLAN as per the diagram so that we know exactly what we are doing and keep some consistency in terms of our naming convention. So VLAN 20, and we call this sales, and then we do VLAN 30 and we call that marketing. Now that we've done setting up the VLANs, we want to show the VLANs so we can actually see them on our network. And what you'll also note is that we have VLAN 1, which has all these ports attached to the VLAN 1. A VLAN 1 by default is the administrative VLAN. The administrative VLAN is there to handle administrative tasks. Right now, what we want to do is configure some of these ports to relate back to the VLANs that we've just created. So the first step now would be to configure the VLANs to have ports with access mode and ports assigned to them.